Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Loice. I make fashion and lifestyle videos on this channel, so if that's something you're interested in, please continue watching and I hope you enjoy. On today's video, I want to share some new skincare items that I've found that I like. They're not necessarily new to the market. I don't know if they're new, but they're new to me, so they're new in my skincare routine. I know I've previously shared some things that I've used, like vitamin C and things like that, but it's always good to change your routine. I don't know, every 3 months. Well, I do change mine at least every 3 months. So if I buy a bottle, I can rebuy it, and then after that I want to change something just so my skin is not used to it, and also to discover new things. Staying on one thing is not it. So I just want to share that, and hopefully you guys can learn something. Maybe you're looking for something and you don't know what to buy, what to get, and I'll give you my thoughts. Some of them I've used for more than 2 weeks, and some it's my first time to use, like the mascara is my first time to use. So let's just go through it, and I'll give you my thoughts. Maybe a bit of a first impressions or first 2-week impression sort of video this is. So let's get into it. The first 3 things I'm going to talk about are from the same brand. This is a brand I've used before. Well, the brand is Murad. When I was about 25 years old, I had the worst bout of, I think, adult acne. I don't know if it was hormonal or it was adult. I don't even know. I had acne. It was horrible. My whole face was full of painful pimples. Like, I remember crying. There's a day I was on a boat cruise on Lake Como in Italy, and I literally, the wind was blowing onto my skin, and we're on the boat on the lake, and I'm trying to enjoy the views of lake, and all I could feel was pain on my face. So this was one of the brands that took me through that, and I didn't use it after that until recently. I don't know where I saw it being advertised, and I was like, or I think it's new to Cult Beauty. So I was browsing in Cult Beauty, and I was like, oh, I love Murad products, so let me try them. So the first one is this exfoliating cleanser. It's a AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser, and the reason I took this was because I like an exfoliant, but I don't want a physical. I think it's physical. The ones with grains or things, like also something to physically abrade the skin. I don't like those, and I learned that during the time when I had acne, where all I wanted to do was to scrub my skin thoroughly, and and that was irritating my skin more, and I ended up learning about chemical exfoliants, which are easier on the skin, and yeah, they're just better for your skin. They don't destroy the surface, they don't give you those micro cuts on the skin. So this one, I've used it for 2 weeks now, and I love it. It takes away, it's not super, how can I put it? It doesn't dry out your skin, but it cleans your skin. And also the chemical or the exfoliant in it, when I say chemical, it just sounds really bad. The exfoliant in it is not too strong, so you don't feel like tingling. Well, I've not felt tingling on my face, so I'm assuming it's gentle enough and effective enough. And so I'm loving this. I can recommend this. I bought it from Cult Beauty. Most of the products I bought from Cult Beauty. If I didn't buy it from Cult Beauty, I will say otherwise where I got them from. And yeah. The next thing is, me, vitamin C. This is the Environmental Shield Vita C Glycolic Brightening Serum. So that's what it is. This one, it's very lightweight. I don't know how I can explain it. Like, once you put it on the skin, it almost has like some super small particles of like, not glitter, but shimmer. I like it because it's lightweight, so it kind of goes into the skin immediately, and your skin almost feels like there's nothing on it, and you can go ahead with your with your moisturizer. You can go ahead with your moisturizer and not feel like you're packing on. I have oily skin, so packing on moisturizing things on my skin is not something I'm looking for. So I love this for that. I didn't know that about it when I bought it, but when I tried it I was like, oh damn, I like that. And I have noticed a big difference on my skin because of the masks. Around here, around my mouth area, I've been getting a little bit of pimples, and so after that I've been getting spots, black spots obviously, so that has really helped with fading away the black spots quicker than I'm used to. Another thing I've loved is the Retinol Youth Renewal Serum by Murad as well. I love this, same as the vitamin C. The texture is very similar. It's quite water, it seems water-based because it kind of disappears into your skin immediately and lets you put on your moisturizer after that, your night cream or your whatever cream. But I use this at night. So I use the vitamin C for the daytime and I use this one for nighttime before my moisturizer. And I'm loving that. Another product I'm loving for the daytime after my vitamin serum and moisturizer, I picked up this Sun Protect Water Sun Cream by Thank You Pharma. I think it's a Korean brand. I could be wrong. Yeah, it's made in Korea. So it's a 50 plus SPF, I believe. Okay, SPF 50 plus, PA triple plus. Yes. That's what it is. I don't know what all those things mean, but I know it's sun protection factor 50, which is adequate. I live in a super hot country, and yay, we're just starting to go into cooler weather, so the temperature has been dropping. We're thankful. Another product that I've really loved, this is not from Cult Beauty, this is from Bashara Care here in Dubai, is this New Strata Lotion Plus Step Up Level 15 AHA. This is a body lotion, and if you have texture on your skin or you have somewhere where you have I don't know, I get blackheads sometimes on my legs or on my arms, and I like to use this as a body lotion on those areas just to exfoliate. Like I said, I don't like to scrub my skin. This is really good for getting rid of dry patches, blackheads, just help your skin get even. This is a really good product. I've used it for years and years. This is not new to even me, and it's not new to the market, but it has glycolic acid. Oh no, yeah, glycolic acid is designed for experienced alpha hydroxy acid users. Yes, so don't go in your first time applying this every day. Please use it progressively, maybe once every few days. And I don't use this for my face, I use this for my body. This I found out from my sister. It's called Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Spa Size. It's a really good product. It's a vitamin C for the body with ferulic acid and vitamin E. It's really good. I saw she was using it and her skin was looking nice, so I was like, I gotta get it. And it's quite cheap. It's like $10. I bought this from iHerb. iHerb is an online vitamin skincare website. I think it's based in the US, but they ship really quickly. I think I got it in 3 or 4 days, so I love this. It's very moisturizing. It has vitamin C. They say vitamin C science versus sun damage, meaning it's protecting your skin from sun damage. So I love this. How big is this? This is 454 grams, 16 ounces. 16 ounces. So that's quite big for $10 and body vitamin C, and yeah, we love that. I'll try and link everything down if I can find it. If I can find a link for you to go and check it out, maybe find it somewhere closer to you where you can, you can buy it. I will try and find everything and link them down below. If I can't find anything and it's only in shops, I will mention it also in the description box. Next, in the body skincare category is this Molten Brown body lotion. That's what it is. There you go. It's I know I have a lot of body lotions, but I use different things for different moods. Like this one is like scented and it's rhubarb and rose. So if I'm going out during the day and I want, or even at night, and I want to smell really nice, I would maybe use this lotion before, you know, dressing up and stuff like that. If I'm sorting out problems, you know, those nights when you're sorting out issues about your body, then I'm going for this. You know, I'm thinking I'm masking my face, I'm taking care of all the dry patches on my skin and things like that, and I'm gonna go for this. But this, I would use it for when I'm going out, something like that, when I want to feel and smell cute. I'm meeting my buddies or something. Yeah, that's what I would do. That's what I would do. Next is this 3-pack of beauty blenders. It's called Rosy Posy. So it's 3 beauty blenders, I don't know, 3 beauty blenders and a soap, cleaning soap at the top that looks like a Rosy Posy. So, and in 3 super cute colors. So the lower one is called Rosy, the middle one is called Lilac, and the top one is called Dahlia. The 3 of these plus the soap was for the price of 2 beauty blenders. This is a normal beauty blender which I had bought in Sephora here in Dubai, and so you get those 3 for the price of these 2. So I thought that's a saving. I got to have it because you also get the soap. Sometimes beauty blenders can be really difficult to clean. I don't wear eyelashes, guys. I'm scared. I'm scared of wearing eyelashes. I actually worn eyelashes once and I loved how it looked, but for me to do it myself, Lord. So I thought this was really good because they come in 4 pieces. So it's not one strip, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 per eye. So you can put it in bits, you know. So I'm thinking this is gonna be easier. I'll give you guys feedback. So these are the Huda Beauty Harmony number 17 Easy Lash. Yeah, for those of us who don't know how to, well, actually it's not that I don't know. I've actually studied how to put eyelashes. It's just that I find them a bit messy. My eyes look, I feel like there's some people's eyes who look like the eyelash is sitting on top of their lashes, and that's not a look I want. I don't even know where I'm gonna go with my lashes, but we're still in kind of lockdown. Well, it's lockdown in Dubai because it's hot, so there's no way you're going unless you're going to eat or you're going to shop, and you're trying to not do any of those because you're trying to stay home and protect your loved ones, protect yourself, protect your family. So I don't know where we're going, but we're wearing lashes, guys. Finally, the last thing I wanted to share is this. I have to actually take it out of the box because it's this Laura Mercier. I'll read it. Pure Canvas Primer, Illuminating Primer. This I'm just trying because I love Laura Mercier and I love illuminating things. So if they say this is gonna make my there's what it looks like. If they say this is gonna make my skin more illuminated under my foundation, then we're gonna try it. If you want to know my feedback on this, you can follow me on Instagram at Loice Lamba, and I will be giving my feedback on most of these things because most of them I haven't used really. Anything I find that's off, I will share it on my Instagram, so please follow me there. My next video is gonna be what's new in my closet fashion wise, fashion and maybe lifestyle, some healthy food, some healthy habits, some clothing. You know we like clothes, so please subscribe and see you on the next one. Bye bye.